Yo, what it do, y'all? It's gonna be a nice, easy how-to out here on the grill. We're gonna be doing some reversed sear New York strips. Now, what that entails is we're gonna smoke them to around the 115 mark. Then after that, we'll get some real hot, direct heat up under it, put a beautiful crisp crust on it, and enjoy those for dinner. So stay tuned. While we got the fire coming up to temperature, we're gonna season these steaks. Real simple. It's gonna be pink Himalayan salt, straight from the Himalayas. Like, I literally just got back. Some ground pepper, cayenne pepper, and fresh ground Italian herbs. Keeping it really simple here because I'm gonna have also the flavor of the smoke coming through. And honestly, I'm just kind of too lazy to find anything else to put on it. So we got the 2 New York strips here on the end, and then some top sirloins for the kids over here. It all should come out really well. Let's season these up. All seasoned up, just ready for the grill to get up to temperature. We'll smoke them. Didn't take long to get the fire up. So we're gonna throw New York strips on first. And these top sirloins. Now, because mesquite is such a strong wood, we didn't throw too much of it in there. And then you get that overbearing smoke flavor. But this will go in here and again sitting until the internal temp hits around 115. Got the probes in there to track the temperature and shouldn't take too long. There, middle finger up one, and then your ring finger all the way at the bottom. G.
No.
Okay, so try this. So pinky, pointer finger, middle finger, and then use your pinky there. Your pinky, the little guy. There you go. Yeah, just like that. You can actually press both of those, and that's a different variation of a G.
It goes together.
Dang, she got the G. Now try to do like a pattern there. All right, y'all, so we actually stayed a little bit more patient and waited till it hit around the 125 mark on the internal temp. And they are looking good. Took a quick second, transferred all the fire from out of the firebox into the main grill here. You see, we got it. We even raised it up a little bit, making it as much direct heat as possible. Now we're just gonna throw it on there, get that nice sear on it. Throw the New York strips down first. The top sirloins. Meanwhile, on the inside, we got some roasted broccoli and I think baked potatoes, but yeah, see when it's done. I've been pulling the last 2 off, y'all. They got, I mean, check out that crust there. Grill marks looking amazing. We are just gonna pull these off of the fire and let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. By that time, our sauteed onions should be good and ready to plate this thing up. Yeah. Now that everything's off the grill, the steak has rested, the onions are done, the mushrooms, the oven roasted broccoli, baked potato. Yeah. This one came out right there at about medium where the kids like it. One very important factor when cutting the steaks, whether it's, you know, the brisket or any type of real steak, is always cut cross grain to prevent the meat from being chewy when you go to have at it. So You got Kiana's all made up real nice. I'm gonna cut a small piece so you can. I want you to have a face full of steak. I'm trying to talk. Try it. Now she helps season some of this. So if it's not good. Alright, try the steak. They want to know about the steak.
It's not a good angle.
What's a good angle? Okay.
Hello, welcome to my little vlog. Okay, now this is just weird. Okay, oh well.
Alright, so the steak. Yes, no.
Smoky.
Too smoky?
The right amount.
Yeah, we did it, y'all. Like I said, it's a quick down and dirty steak for dinner. Okay, now, I'm hungry, so we gonna eat. Peace.